Alright guys, 2017 Ford Raptor. Things we are replacing today is the sway bar end links. Also the sway bar bushings. They come in a two-piece, which is pretty nice. Alright guys, so don't ever go to O'Reilly's again. I'm not kidding. They actually sold me the wrong part. And don't worry, you can't go to AutoZone to get these parts. You can't go to Bumper. Nobody has them. You have to go to Ford to get the sway bar end links. But because of United Parts Distribution here in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, they're able to take care of everything and get it done in a timely manner. New day here. Here's what we're gonna get going on. So I went to O'Reilly's originally and bought the sway bar end links for the Raptor. Funny thing is, they were both straight. So it looked basically like that. Dead wrong. Get underneath the truck and realize that it has a 90-degree angle on it. So I'm like, great. Call O'Reilly's, call AutoZone, call Bumper. All of them are like, yeah, can't get it. So you will have to go directly to Ford. There's the part number. This is specifically for a second generation Raptor. So that's 2017 through 2020. There's your part. Here's a sway bar end links. This is from O'Reilly's, lifetime warranty. They are two-piece, which is really nice. Thanks, charger, for being my toolbox here. There it is assembled, easy peasy. What we have to do though to easily get this accomplished is work the skid plate from underneath. We'll have to drop that, expose the sway bar end link. It'll allow us to get to the frame bolts to drop this section. So the sway bar end link will come down. It'll allow us to free these up, put that all back together. Alright, so we've got a bolt here, a bolt here. That's the driver's side. And then you'll have two connecting to the front pan here. Those look like those are 10 millimeters. And then on the passenger side, you'll have the same two. And it should be there's nothing on the back side. So this will drop down, exposing the sway bar. So passenger side, here it is. There's the inside, that 90-degree. And then the mounting point is just right there. So let's get on it, guys. A lot of what I noticed at O'Reilly's was everything they were trying to sell me was kind of geared specifically for the regular F-150, not so much the Raptor model. So that's why I'm having my doubts about putting that on there versus keeping the old Ford on here. Plus, this is not that hard to get to. I need to change the feature, so I'll keep it for now. That's one done. There we go. All right. One done. One more to go. Passenger side. But we put some thread locker on each end and we just gave it a good crank with the old impact from Harbor Freight there. And everything looks good. Like I said, I do feel better keeping these originals on here. They're pliable, which means they're well worn. means, you know, they're definitely seen their life. You could see some of the separation there, but they fit and grip the sway bar much better than the aftermarkets from O'Reilly. So, and this isn't that hard to get to. I could change them in the future, but for now I'm going to go ahead and keep the original in there and take those old ones back to O'Reilly's. No thanks to them. Sorry O'Reilly's, you've let me down twice now. Gotta revisit you just to return parts. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I will be changing the oil pan gasket, or the oil pan and gasket here in a few videos from now. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on the passenger side, knock that one out, and continue on down the road. Alright, so we got the driver's side done. We got the passenger side done. Damn GoPro shutting off, whatever. We got this bolted back up. Got the other frame mount attached back up. Now all I have to do is put the skid plate back on. God, I cannot think today. I'm too damn tired. Whatever. We're gonna have to deal with this again in the future. I took care of this last year, but whatever. It's leaking again, that's fine. This has a 3-year warranty from O'Reilly's. Granted, it sucks to go back and redo work, but clearly I'm gonna go with the Ford one this time, I think. Just try to get my money back on that one. We are gonna be doing the oil pan gasket, or the oil pan entirely, here in the next few videos, but slowly but surely, she's coming together. I mean, for 2017 and almost 200,000 miles, she still looks really good, in my opinion. So, alright, multitasking like a mofo right now. A little tip here, so you can make sure you can get all of your little bolt holes lined up correctly, because these are the 10 mils that attach the other pan. Driver's side, you want to get all of your bolts in, but loose. Loose. Same thing on the passenger side, in, but loose. That way, when you go to put these in, see the hole's not quite lined up, it allows you to adjust it. Because otherwise, if it was completely bolted down on one side or the other, that pan would not move, making it impossible to get these started. So, that one is a little bit off, so we should be able to do that. Get it started. There we go. Boom. Now we can fully tighten these down. We'll do the passenger side and the driver's side, and we're done. Hope you guys like and appreciate this. Please consider hitting subscribe. Stick around, give it a thumbs up, because I'll be working on this truck a lot more in the next coming months, especially as we get back in the summer. Love and appreciate all you guys. I have dirt in my eyes. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Struggle is real.